Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to use an LG TV without your remote. So first of all we're going to go into the Play Store, then we're going to go into search, type in LG TV remote, and we should pop up. And you can choose any of these, but you can also use the official LG application, but I found the other ones to work even better. So we're just going to choose the LG TV remote, this one, going to press install. Now once it's installed, we're just going to press open, scroll through these. So now you're going to make sure you're in the same Wi-Fi, and if your LG TV is also connected to the same Wi-Fi, then you're going to just be able to use the remote. So you can just toggle it on, toggle it off, and all of those features. Now I don't have an LG TV to demonstrate this with, but if they're on the same Wi-Fi, they're just going to connect, and then you can use the remote like that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.